Hello and welcome to another Get Tech tutorial for IdealPOS. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to turn one of your stock items into an indirect item. This will allow that item to use one or more stock controlled items. Okay, so if we come across here to stock items, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use our eggs on toast. I'm going to turn that into an indirect item so it uses the stock controlled items from toast and eggs. So as you can see at the moment, there is 0 stock and eggs on toast. So if we go out to our POS screen and I sell an eggs on toast, and we'll go back into stock items, you can see our eggs on toast is -1. So you probably don't buy in eggs on toast directly on a truck. We will buy in the eggs and we'll buy in the toast and turn that into our eggs on toast. What we need to do is we'll go into our eggs on toast and we click on this little checkbox here to turn it into an indirect item. Then that opens up this tab across the top here. We click on that, and here is where we can add our ingredients for our eggs on toast. We'll click on the add button. Now you can use the greater than less than symbol to find your stock item. So you may have hundreds of items in your database. As you can see, I've only got 3. And then we double click on eggs, and I tell it I'm going to use 2 eggs, and click on the save button. Now, if you do know the stock code for your items, you can type them in here. So I know the stock code for toast is 2. So I type in 2 and there it brings up the toast. And we use 2 pieces of toast. And we click on save. Just note as well with this, if you do come out here, you can search for your stock item by typing in, or if you know the department, you can use that department. Click on X in the top right, get back out of that. Then once you have all of your ingredients in, we'll click on the X again. And we can now see our ingredients. If you need to modify them, you can do so here, and you can also delete an ingredient from your eggs on toast. Then we click on X at the top and we say yes to save changes. So now eggs on toast is saved as an indirect item. So rather than it using a stock level from its own stock, it will now use the stock levels from eggs and toast. So as you can see, we've got 15 eggs and 41 toast. We'll click on the X in the top right. We'll go back to our POS and we'll sell another eggs on, actually we'll sell 2 eggs on toast. We'll complete that sale. Now we'll go back into stock items. So now you can see we have 11 eggs remaining and 37 toast, and we're still on -1 for toast. So that shows you now that eggs on toast is using eggs and toast. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial.